So this is one of the first times that a question came up like this. Now we've been doing questions like this all the time, so this is not going to be, but the Regents hadn't really asked a question before where they had used this point slope formula. So all of a sudden I started popping back up, and that's when I changed how I teach how to do this. But it says parallel. It gives me an equation. So probably I'm thinking, all right, well, I got to solve this for y so I know the slope. That would make sense because I need a slope to write an equation of a line. I get 3y equals negative 4 plus x, 3, y equals negative 4 thirds plus 2 thirds x. So there's the slope. So my parallel slope is 2 thirds. All right, so if I look down through here, wrong slope, wrong slope. Okay, so I can put it to one of those two. Now my point of my line is 1, 3. I can write my own equation, but I also could just look down here and see which one's the right one, but I've got to be super careful. This right here, even though it looks really good, is wrong because my equation is y minus y1 m times x minus x1. And I would hope that you'll at least write that equation down and then pick the right answer because it should be y minus 3 equals, whoops, 2 thirds times x minus 1. And I think with multiple choice, it's more dangerous with these because it's much, much easier to be like, oh, look, a 3 and a 1, that must be the right answer. And it's not. And I don't think that you'd miss it if it wasn't multiple choice. So be extra careful with these multiple choice questions. Write your own equation first and then pick that answer rather than trying to stare at the answers and pick the right one without writing